Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pappu Career Guide, a complete guide for all your career needs. So today in this video I will discuss TCS and Cognizant some important updates. Okay, so please watch video till the end so that you can easily going to clarify all your doubts and what are the update coming from these two big giant companies. So let's begin this video. Okay, so first thing first is like friend, here you can see on my screen like Cognizant like regarding not received date of joining after waiting for 3 months also. Okay, so when you can see on my screen, okay, so students are still waiting for their date of joining last 3 months, 4 months, and one of my subscriber waiting for date of joining last I think 8 months. Okay, so from the 8 months they are still waiting for their date of joining from the Cognizant team for the patrol. Okay, onboarding is in progress. What they replied, let's see what they replied. Okay, onboarding is in progress and you are in the prospective pipeline. Date of joining is being aligned as per the business demand, so request you to please wait for your date of joining intimation, which should be scheduled soon. Tentative date of joining with June 22 depending on the demand. So the other friend, this is just a basically a system generated mail. This is not a mail they typed. Okay, so when who all are just now asking the date of joining for the same, they all will receive this type of mail from the Cognizant Gen support team. Okay, so this is a system generated mail you are going to receive. Okay, but this is not also not confirmed that you are going to join a company in June 22. It may be happen that you are going to wait some more months also after June. Okay, so if you have a patience and if you want to get if you want a job in Cognizant, then you should have wait some more months also. Okay, so it totally depends upon you. Okay, and second update is coming from the TCS BPS off campus hiring 2020-2021 mock test schedule on 28th of March. So basically this is a mock test for the TCS BPO hiring for the batch of 2020 and 2021. Here you can see the exam date is the 28th of March, means tomorrow, and exam is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and some of the some of the details which they provide from the steps which you follow before going to give the exam. Okay, and this is the update. Second, your queries, please make a video regarding on rescheduled joining update. Most of the candidates rescheduled but did not get any update about new joining date from the last 2 to 3 months. So friend, let's see, for the TCS also not providing the date of joining for the newly joined candidates also. Okay, so it's totally depends on the TCS business demands and TCS business needs. Okay, so there will be a chances for receiving date of joining after 4 months and 6 months also, because yesterday one of my subscriber received offer letter after 6 months, and one of my subscriber got joining date after I think 4.5 means 4.5 months also. So if you want to wait some more time, you can just wait. Okay, because there is no particular date from where from when you got joining date from the TCS team. Okay, so it's totally depends on them. If you have a patience, then you can wait, otherwise you can just move on. Okay, no need to wait for the 4 to 5 months. Okay, but they will send you joining date. No, it's I'm not telling you that they will be forget you, no, but if you if you have patience and if you want to wait for some more days, then you can wait. Okay, so maybe they will send you tomorrow, day after tomorrow, but there is no particular chances that you are going to receive after 2 days or 2 days or 2 months, 2 years. There is no particular date. Okay, it's depends. Okay, on their TCS business demands. And second, sir, please make a video on assessment link for Cognizant Infra for 22 batch. They will send or not? Yes, they will send. Okay, no need to worry for that. Okay, so most probably first week of April they will send. Okay, so no need to worry. Okay, so let's see what are the topic I missed and let's summarize all the things which I discussed right now. Okay, so let's see. It is hiring a mock test update I discussed. Waiting for Cognizant date of joining last 3 months. Yeah, Cognizant GD round for which role? So see, Cognizant GD round is for infra role hiring. Okay, so basically infra role they are hiring for the they are conducting for the GD role, and also who all are completed their PAT exam. They also received a CIS profile mail, and for the CIS profile mail they going to get a GD round, because they Cognizant don't have any patrol opening right now. That's why they are providing after PAT exam they providing CIS role. Okay, and CIS role you are going to receive a GD round as well. Okay, so second, when Cognizant GD round result out, basically it will depends on the Cognizant business demand, because after GD round there is I think there is a particular one interview round is there, but there is no confirmation that they will take your interview or not, and when they will conduct your interview and result for the GD round, there is also not confirmed about it, because my most of the subscribers still do not received any GD round yet, result yet. Okay, So Cognizant Infra 2019 date will update. I discussed. Okay, so there is no particular update. So you have to wait just first week of April. TCS not giving joining date. Why? Because it totally depends on TCS business demand. Waiting for the scheduled date of TCS date of joining last 2 to 3 months. Yes, there are lots of students are still waiting for the joining date. And if you want to like if you have a patience, then you can wait. Otherwise, you can just move on. Okay, I think that's it for this video. मिलते हैं आपको दूसरे वीडियो में. Till then, जय हिंद, जय भारत.